So good morning, class 8 children. Today we'll start with chapter number 16, that is light. Already we have read this chapter in class 6 and class 7, but in this chapter we are going to study something more about light. Few things we know about light is that it travels, it's also a source of light always travels in a straight line. And it is the thing which makes us all things visible. Light is again a form of energy with which we are able to see different things. Okay. So the sense of light is, and we can see that sight with the help of an organ, our sense organ, that is eye. Okay. And a few more things we are going to study about, that is the definition of reflection. Already we know that it's a bouncing back of light. And after that, the types of reflection that we have not studied yet. Types of reflection and what happens when the light falls on the different surfaces. Second thing, we are going to study about the concept of multiple images. Children, you know that not sometime what happens, more than one type of images are formed. So that is known as a concept of multiple images. And next thing we are going to study, that is a braille system. The person or the children who don't have the eyes or don't have the vision, how they can read. They can also study with the help of a braille system. So these things, all that things we are going to study in this chapter. It's very interesting chapter, and this chapter will be continued till you are studying your science subject. It's very interesting. Next, children, before moving to the next part of this chapter, let's understand the misunderstood words first of all. So difficult words, or you may say that misunderstood words of this chapter. So let's have a look on these misunderstood words. So here few of the words are there. Kindly go for it. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection, blind spot, braille, cones, cornea, diffuse reflection, dispersion, incident ray, iris, kaleidoscope, lateral inversion, laws of reflection, pupil, reflected rays, reflection, regular reflection, retina, or rods. So giving you 5 minutes. So kindly find out the answers of all these terms. Hurry up. Okay. So our first word is angle of incidence. Yes, Yash.
The angle between normal and incident ray is called the angle of incidence.
Okay. Can I have the page number from where you are reading? Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence.
Ma'am, second page of chapter. Ma'am.
Better tell the page number. I think you can tell the page number so that everybody can find. Angle of incidence is the angle between the normal and the incident ray. That is known as angle of incidence.
200.
200
page
page
number
number.
200.
Okay, fine. Next is kindly raise your hands, children, those who know the answer. Second one, yes, Aryan Agarwal. Angle of reflection.
Angle between the normal and the reflected ray is known as the angle of reflection.
Okay, the angle between the normal and the reflected ray, that is known as the angle of reflection. Good. Next, Veronica. Blind spot.
The blind spot is an area on
Yes.
the retina that does not have any light sensitive.
Okay, light, this is a part or a point on the retina where no light sensitive cells are there, where no image is formed, rather you can say blind spot. Vitat, can you tell the page number for blind spot?
206.
206. Next is Barira. Braille.
Ma'am, page number 209. The most popular resource of visuality challenged persons is Braille.
So this is a braille system with which the visually challenged person can study. Next, Samrid. Cones. Cones and rod cell, you may find this word in the structure of eye. What are cones means? Cones and rods. These two words are there. Yes, Geet, can I have the answer from your side?
Ma'am, cones are the kind of cells which sense color.
Yes, these cones are the color sensitive cells which are present on the retina of our eye. So kindly write down. Page number, can you tell?
Ma'am, page number 206.
206. Cones are sensitive to the colors. Next, cornea. Kindly raise hand. Akriti.
Ma'am, it is tough so that it can protect the interior of the eye from accident. Its transparent front part is called cornea.
So front
Page
part
number 206.
of the eye is known as cornea. So kindly write down. Page number she has shared already. That front part of the eye is known as cornea. Next is diffused or irregular reflection. So already we have put a tick on in front of it what you have learned. These two words, regular reflection, takes place when the light is incident on the smooth, polished and regular surfaces. And second is diffused reflection. So these two words we have done. Diffused reflection, you can write down that the type of a reflection which takes place from the rough surfaces. Okay. Next, dispersion word already we have done. I have put a tick in what you have learned. Splitting of light into its constituent colors is known as dispersion. Done, children? Next is incident ray. Yes, Harshit Tyagi, Aryan Shinde, can I have the answer from your side? What do you mean by, already we have done the angle of incidence. Yes, Naman, anyone of the word you want to give? Yes, Aryan.
The light ray which strikes any surface is called the incident ray.
A ray which strike the any of the surface is known as incident ray. Any of the ray which strike the surface is known as the incident ray. Next is, yes, Sarthak Singh Rao. Iris. Sarthak Sehgal. Okay, Aryan Agarwal, tell. Iris.
Behind the cornea, we find a dark muscular structure called iris.
Okay, dark muscular structure behind the cornea is known as iris. Next, Sarthak Sehgal, would you like to give the answer for kaleidoscope? What do you mean by kaleidoscope? Anybody else? For kaleidoscope, what this instrument is for? Already it's written in the book kaleidoscope. There is
Ma'am, kaleidoscope make numerous beautiful patterns.
see what you have learned. See this point. Beautiful patterns are formed in kaleidoscope because of multiple reflections. You may write down this point. Beautiful patterns are formed in kaleidoscope because of multiple reflections. Okay. Next comes lateral inversion. I think you are quite familiar with this word, lateral inversion. So many times we have read in the plane mirrors. Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, in what you have learned, image formed in a plane mirror undergoes lateral inversion.
No. Sarthak Sehgal, tell. Anybody else want to say?
And can I?
Yes,
Can I?
tell.
The phenomenon.
Image formed by a mirror, the left of the object appears on the right and the right appears on the left. This is known as lateral inversion.
Yes, Akriti, be attentive. You have to give the answer for the next one. Lateral inversion, yes, means when we see our image in the plane mirror, left appears right and right appears left. that is known as a lateral inversion. Barira. Laws of reflection. So you can't say for that. Laws for reflection is 2 laws of reflections are there. You can leave this. Next is pupil. The word pupil.
Ma'am, in the iris, there is a small opening called the pupil.
Yes, in
206.
iris, page number 206. In iris, there is a very small opening. Black colored opening is there. That is known as a pupil. Children, just see, if stand in front of the mirror and see in your eyes. See in your eyes clearly. In the center of your eye, there is a black color spot, which is known as pupil. Next comes reflected ray. Still, I have not got any answer from Sarthak Sehgal, Naman, Harshit Tyagi.
The ray of light which is sent back by the mirror is called a reflected ray.
Okay, good. The ray of a light which is reflected by a mirror, sent back by the mirror, is known as a reflected ray. Yes. Next is reflection.
Ma'am, reflection means what we see in mirror is our reflection.
Any other?
The bouncing back of light ray from the surface of in the same medium from which it had come is called reflection.
Yes. So children, already we had learned so many times reflection word is a bouncing back of light. Kindly write down. From class 6 onwards, I had given you this definition that reflection means bouncing back of light, means light comes back when it strikes with any of the surface. It comes back to you. Okay. So kindly mark it. Write down bouncing back of light. Simplest definition I am giving you. Next is retina. Regular reflection. I may say. Samrit Khura.
Can I-
Samrit. Wait, Aryan. Next up, Dena. Samrit, you may tell.
Okay, ma'am. The reflection from a smooth surface like that a mirror is called regular reflection.
Okay. The reflection, already we have done the reflection from a smoother surface. Next is for retina. Yes, Aryan.
The lenses focus light on the back of the eyes on a layer is called retina.
Okay. Retina is known as a screen of the eye. Yes, Akriti, next one. Retina is known as a screen of the eye. Next, rods. Last one is. This is present. I think it's in the eye, structure of eye, where the answer Geet has given, the cone. The cells which are sensitive to the colors, that are known as cones. In the similar way, we can say the cells which are sensitive to the different, you may say that
Rods
rods.
sensitive to the dim light.
Yes, sensitive to the dim light or bright light, that are known as rods. The cells which are sensitive to the dim light are known as rods. So children, I hope we have done all the word meaning and all words are clear to you. If any of the word is not clear to you, you may ask. So this is your today's work to start this chapter in the notebook. And kindly write down the word meanings. You will be able to understand the word meanings if these words will be clear to you. The concept will be clear only if. Okay. So continue with this work.